Today, we'll show you how to convert a Porsche Taycan's lithium battery to a traditional battery. These are the parts we need for the conversion. Next, we're going to install this battery into the car. Then, disconnect the original negative battery cable and replace it with ours. After that, plug the adapter harness into the car's original connector and attach the other end to the battery sensor. Next step, connect the power cable to the fuse box. First, remove the 4 screws on the fuse box cover. Then, secure the power cable in this position. Put the mounting bracket back. Connect the battery's positive terminal and the main positive power cable. Then attach the negative terminal. Now the battery installation is complete. After installation, the dashboard will display an electrical system fault. To fix this, use the OBD dongle provided and plug it into the car's OBD port. Wait 5 minutes, then turn the key on again. The fault will disappear. If the car goes to the dealer for an update, you'll have to do this again. And that's how we successfully converted a Porsche Taycan's lithium battery to a traditional battery. Thanks for watching.